Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to provide a customer with a copy of their receipt or tax invoice if they request it. So as you can see, this is a customer that has asked for a tax invoice for the purchase. If they reply to the email like this, what we can do is we can literally just click on this icon, on this link here, and this will actually open their receipt. They've just missed it. And then we literally just come up the top, print it, select save as PDF. So you want to choose, make sure that that's the under print destinations, save as PDF. We're going to save it. We're going to save it as Rocketbook Australia. If it's a ThinkBoard order, obviously you would save it as ThinkBoard Australia. We're going to save that just in downloads. And then we're literally just going to go back here and reply to them. If we take this, so we're going to come here, cut this. We just want up to Think Rocketbook Australia. Control C to copy it and go back to your email. Control V to paste it. And then we're just going to update this information here. So we're going to go, hi Sarah. Thank you for your recent order, blah, 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 thanks. And then my name is Carl, so I just update that. Then I'm going to attach that. So that's in downloads, that's this one, R3831, R3831. And then we're just going to send that off to her. In the event that they don't reply to that one, and we need to, and they've sent an email separately. So let's say that she just sent an email saying, could you please provide a tax invoice for order R3831? What I'm going to do is go into our, here, so we're going to close this. Sorry, we're going to come into the Shopify store. So we come out of here. We go to the orders page in Shopify. So if I click here, orders, this will give a summary of all the orders. And then what I'm going to do is find the order number. So it's order R3831. So I'm then going to search here R3831 and then enter. This is the order, Sarah Hughes. So we just want to make sure that that matches the name as well. So her name is Sarah Hughes or Sarah Maloney. But this is obviously the correct information, we know that. That's just a privacy matter. And then what we're going to do is we're going to choose more actions up here, download PDF, OPE-download PDF, sorry. This will come up with that same PDF that we saw. And then same process, we would save that using the print option, select as a PDF, and then attach that to the email template and send it off there. So that's how you would provide a customer with a tax invoice or receipt. Thanks for that, guys. Any questions, let me know. Cheers.